A new phase in the fight against the coronavirus threat. And a new focus, no longer containing the outbreak, instead delaying the peak of the approaching epidemic. The main message: schools will stay open and big events can continue, but stay at home if you're sick. Scotland's First Minister had dialed in to this afternoon's Cobra Committee meeting, explaining afterwards why schools will stay open for now.
If it gets to the stage where the advice is to close schools, this will not be for a week or 2 weeks. This would be something that was advised to last throughout the peak of this infection, and that is potentially until the summer period.
Why is this move to delaying the epidemic peak so crucial? Well, hospitals will only have so much capacity to care for those who become seriously ill. And if the virus spreads quickly, the sharp spike in those needing hospital care will overwhelm the health system. Measures that make the infection spread more slowly will mean demand on the NHS will hopefully stay within what it can cope with.
Thank you all very much.
On a visit to Washington, the Republic of Ireland's leader has announced a far more drastic set of measures than the UK's. Schools in Ireland will all close from tomorrow, along with museums and tourist attractions.
We know that older people and those with a chronic illness are at real risk. And we have a duty as a society to protect ourselves, and above all to protect others, our parents and grandparents, our family and friends, our co-workers and neighbours.
And as the lockdown in Italy also shows, different countries are making different choices about how to delay and flatten the epidemic's curve. Experts say, though, there will be good reasons for those differences.
The important thing is to trust that. There has been a lot of time and effort and work and research that has gone into making that decision right for that country. So if one country makes one decision and another makes a different decision, that doesn't necessarily mean that one is right and one is wrong. It means that there are lots of factors that have been taken into account to come to that.
Today marks a step change in the UK's response to the coronavirus threat. Everyone's actions in the days and weeks to come will determine how successfully these measures do control the epidemic's spread and how many lives are saved as a result. Catherine Jones, 5 News.